Here at KHOU 11 News, we don't just report the news, we also have a dedicated Verify fact-checking team looking into claims and answering your questions so you know what's verified and what is false.
And today, reporter Stephanie Whitfield and our researchers answering whether undocumented immigrants are living in taxpayer-funded public housing.
The claim I'm verifying today requires a little backstory. Earlier this year, the Trump administration announced a plan to stop undocumented immigrants from living in federally subsidized housing. HUD Secretary Ben Carson has been defending the plan. A couple weeks ago, he tweeted at a Houston congresswoman saying, "There are more than 100,000 American citizens waiting for public housing in Houston, Texas. Do you think they should continue to wait while people here illegally are taking their space?" That got the Houston Housing Authority's attention, and they asked us to verify it. Here's why. Federal law says public housing is only available to U.S. citizens. You have to be a legal citizen to get an HHA lease and to be on the wait list. That being said, families with mixed immigration status can live together, so a child born in the U.S. is eligible for a housing voucher even if their undocumented parents aren't. In those cases, the family has to disclose everyone who lives there or face eviction. There are a total of 42 mixed-status families in Houston out of more than 22,000 families who live in subsidized housing. So we can verify Secretary Carson's claim that undocumented immigrants can live in public housing in Houston. But it needs context, because they can only do so if a legal citizen holds the lease and gets the subsidy. And that number makes up less than 1% of Houston's public housing.
Have something you want us to verify? Email us at the address verify@khou.com.